Welcome to Ginger Bangalore Whitefield, a smart and stylish business hotel located in the heart of Bangalore's tech corridor. With its lean luxe design and modern architecture, this hotel is one of the best luxury business stays in Whitefield. Perfect for corporate travelers, solo guests, and those looking for comfort with convenience. As you step inside, you're greeted by a clean, functional reception area that runs 24/7. The check-in process is smooth. The space is minimal, yet welcoming, setting the tone for your stay. Walking through the lobby, you'll notice the interiors are sleek and efficient, ideal for business travelers who want hassle-free movement. Ginger Whitefield is located in EPIP Phase 2, one of Bangalore's prime IT zones. It's just across from SAP Labs and KTPO and very close to ITPL, Capgemini, RMZ NXT and other major tech parks. For those arriving by flight, Kempegowda International Airport is around 40 kilometers away, while KR Puram Railway Station and Whitefield Metro Station provide great local connectivity. Shopping and dining options like Forum Shantiniketan, Phoenix Market City and VR Bengaluru are also just a few minutes away. We've now entered the Luxe Solo Room, a compact yet efficiently designed space made just for one. This single bedroom is perfect for business travelers or students traveling alone. Despite its size, it doesn't feel cramped. The layout is functional, the lighting is warm, and the aesthetics are clean and modern, making it ideal for quick layovers or business meetings. Let's explore the amenities in the room. There's a soft single bed with clean linen and plush pillows that guarantee a good night's sleep. You'll find a compact wardrobe to store your belongings, a flat-screen TV for entertainment, and efficient air conditioning to keep the room cool and fresh. There's also a mini fridge tucked in neatly and a tea and coffee station, along with 2 complimentary water bottles. For a solo traveler, this room covers everything you need, without any unnecessary extras. The attached washroom is clean and well-maintained with modern fittings. You get essential toiletries, a hairdryer, a vanity mirror, and a rain-style shower that's refreshing after a long day. Compact, functional, and hygienic. Exactly what a traveler looks for.
After a good night's sleep and a fresh shower, it's time for breakfast, included in my package. The buffet spread is quite impressive. You'll find cornflakes and chocos with milk, bread with butter and jam, and a range of Indian options like idli vada, poha, pav bhaji, French toast, sandwiches, and boiled eggs. There's also a live counter where you can order eggs of your choice and crispy dosa. And yes, don't miss the fresh fruit juices. I genuinely enjoyed the breakfast. It was tasty, diverse, and energizing for the day ahead. After a full day at the office or exploring Bangalore, coming back to the hotel feels comforting. It's peaceful, quiet, and you can unwind before dinner. Dinner is served buffet style at the in-house restaurant. The menu had tandoori roti, chicken butter masala, biryani, steamed rice, chow mein, chili chicken, paneer lababda, salad, and a scoop of vanilla ice cream to finish. The variety was genuinely impressive and the flavors were great, especially after a long day. Thanks for joining me on this walkthrough of Ginger Bangalore Whitefield. If you found this helpful, do hit subscribe, like the video, and drop your questions or experiences in the comments below. See you in the next one.